Hello, class. This is the introduction to new material. I am here with Miss Brashear, Jocelyn, Vianney, and Miss Venegas, and Carly, and Christian, an 8th grader. Say hello, guys. Hello! I am going... I did say Carly.
I'm awesome, I'm here. Oh, yeah.
Hey, come down. I am going to teach the area of a triangle and the area of... circumference of a circle, because that's what we need to work on. Okay, so
Super easy, guys. You guys can get this like nothing.
thanks, Christian, for the positive encouragement. So if I draw, so let's do triangles first. I know it is. Science? Yes. Triangles.
So you know you're supposed to eat them, right?
I know. So the video is going on right now, and everyone's going to be listening to this tomorrow. So let me do the teaching. Okay. Also, I know that you guys probably heard this a lot last time. All these clicks. I'm going to try to draw much. Excuse me. I got one of those chips in my. Okay. I'm going to try to draw softer so you don't hear the clicks. So triangles. I'm going to go ahead and draw a triangle here. Please write this in your notes. Now, there's a couple things you need to know.
Bye.
Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for being in my video.
This is Vianney doing it.
There's a signboard. Do you
Okay.
We got some more 8th graders coming. Come on, guys.
I am filming my lesson for tomorrow. If you'd like to say hi, Arlette and Maggie, you may say it in 5 seconds. Because I'm filming it on this. You have 5 seconds to say hello or something.
Hi.
Okay, that's it. I gotta teach now. That's it. This is seriously going to be played tomorrow. Really? Yes.
Hello, people.
No, the 5 seconds is up.
Let's do recording.
Okay. Oh, okay. You just made a little dot. No. Okay. Now we're wasting too much time.
What is that?
All right. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Good luck, everyone.
Can you do me a favor? Can you close the door?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good luck, guys. I was speaking to an iPod.
All right. So that was only 2.5 minutes. So that wasn't too bad. Okay, Christian. Thank you. I got to teach now. Okay. Thank you. Triangles. Okay, so then there's 2 important formulas for area. I'm just going to draw with my hand. Area. There we go. There's going to be base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. Now, this right here, this divided by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. Okay, now, some things we're going to need to know. The base of a triangle. We're also going to need to know what the height of a triangle, height of a triangle is. Okay, so the height is this line right here. It's the distance, I'm going to write this down, distance from one point to the base that makes a 90-degree angle. So for example, right here we draw it straight we draw it straight down, and we're going to make this 90 degrees. The base is it's fairly self-explanatory, but it's the base of the triangle. It is the baseline to which the height ends. Now, this triangle here, there's not just one base and height. The triangle is formatted like this, but there's actually several different ways that I could have done this. Okay, so have this in your notes. But I'm going to now move the triangle to show you that there's different types of heights. In fact, I can have 3 different types of heights. So I'm just going to erase this part right in here. I'll draw the black lines here. Now if I select this triangle here, move over here and rotate it like this, now this line here is the base, and it goes directly down, and actually the base here is outside of the triangle. If I were to extend this base, it goes down there, and it would meet right here. Okay, now I can also rotate it, I can rotate it like this, and the height here would be this right here, and the base would still be this line. So one thing important to note, the base is going to be this line here, and the height is a line directly down that creates a 90-degree angle. Most of the time it's going to be touching the base, but sometimes it's not going to be. What we're going to be learning today is why it's divided by 2, why it's multiplying by 1/2. Okay, the next thing we're going to cover is circles. There's a couple things we're going to need to do for circles. So we're going to have the circumference. We'll figure out how to solve for a circumference. And there's 2 formulas. There's 2 pi r, or pi times d, and the r represents radius, not radius. And then the d represents diameter. Now the area, the formula is pi times the radius squared. Now, one thing, this formula looks a lot like this formula. There's a 2, there's the radius, and there's pi. But here's the key right here. The way to remember that this is the formula for area is the exponent. The exponent squared will remind you of area. Remember in 2D, 3D, excuse me, something to the second power is going to be area. Something to the third power will be volume, or what we live in, the 3-dimension. The radius is right here. It is from the center point of the circle to the edge, and then the diameter is right here. It's across the entire circle through the center point right here. Okay, and that's it for circles. Thank you very much. I'm going to add one more thing, and it's the questions that I want us to be exploring throughout this lesson. For triangles, why do we divide by 2 in solving for the area? So the formula is base times height divided by 2. Why is there this divided by 2 here? And it's something to do with a rectangle. Triangle might be half of a rectangle. We're going to get to this. But start thinking about this now. Circles, a little bit more complicated of a question. What happens to the what happens to the circumference? What happens to the circumference when we increase Oh, good. Increase the radius. I'm sorry, I'm going to rewrite this. I mean to say this. When we double the radius, what happens? What happens to the area? Another question. What happens if we triple the radius? Well, one way that we can find this out is with string, and I'll show you why. Thank you very much, and happy math solving.